This project aims to introduce classification algorithms, focusing on the k-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm. The students will learn the theoretical background of KNN, its advantages and disadvantages, and the importance of cross-validation in evaluating the model's performance. By the end of this project, students will have hands-on experience in implementing and testing the KNN algorithm using a real-world dataset. Approach 1. Set up the environment. 2. Introduction to classification algorithms. 3. Understanding k-nearest neighbors (KNN). 4. Pros and cons of using KNN. 5. Implementing KNN in Python. 6. Cross-validation techniques. 7. Evaluating model performance. 8. Conclusion and future work. 1. Set up the environment. Objective: prepare the programming environment for the project. Tasks: ensure students have Python installed. Set up Jupyter Notebook as a development environment. Install necessary libraries: NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, Matplotlib. 2. Introduction to classification algorithms. Objective: provide an overview of classification algorithms. Tasks: explain the concept of classification in machine learning. Introduce various classification algorithms, focusing on k-nearest neighbors (KNN). Provide examples of where classification algorithms are used in real-world applications. 3. Understanding k-nearest neighbors (KNN). Objective: deep dive into the KNN algorithm. Tasks: define the KNN algorithm and its purpose. Explain the working principle of KNN with visual aids and simple examples. Discuss the role of the parameter k and how to choose an optimal k value. 4. Pros and cons of using KNN. Objective: evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of KNN. Tasks: list and explain the benefits of KNN. Example: simplicity, no training phase, intuitive understanding. Discuss the drawbacks of KNN. Example: computationally expensive, sensitivity to irrelevant features, curse of dimensionality. 5. Implementing KNN in Python. Objective: provide practical implementation experience. Tasks: guide students to set up the Python programming environment. Load and explore a dataset, example, Iris dataset, to understand its structure. Split the dataset into training and testing sets. Implement the KNN algorithm using a step-by-step approach. Train the model and make predictions on the test set. 6. Cross-validation techniques. Objective: understand and apply cross-validation. Tasks: explain the concept and importance of cross-validation in model evaluation. Discuss different cross-validation techniques. Example: k-fold cross-validation, leave-one-out cross-validation. Implement cross-validation and interpret the results to assess the model's performance. 7. Evaluating model performance. Objective: evaluate the performance of the KNN model. Tasks: explain evaluation metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Calculate these metrics for the KNN model. Plot and interpret the confusion matrix to visualize model performance. Summarize the evaluation results and discuss potential improvements. 8. Conclusion and future work. Objective: summarize the project and suggest further exploration areas. Tasks: recap the key points learned throughout the project. Discuss the strengths and weaknesses of the KNN algorithm based on the project findings. Suggest areas for further study, such as exploring other classification algorithms, hyperparameter tuning, or handling larger datasets.